Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the weekend. I want to share a secret. Hardly anybody's doing it. And you're going to see in a minute how mind-bendingly easy it is and how much astronomical traffic you can get absolutely free. I've spoken about this method many times in private webinars only. And today I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. What if I could show you a cool way to siphon traffic from sites like eBay? You don't even have to be worried about selling things on eBay. Just getting the traffic that is typing in the kind of things in the search in eBay that are relevant for your business. So why would you want to even do this? Well, the global rank in all the websites on planet Earth is 40. Out of all the websites, it's number 40 in the world, number 14 in the United States, number 2 in e-commerce. Okay, it gets almost 1 billion visitors per month. I went on eBay and I found people selling things like this. Look at this, affiliate marketing 2.0. This is a PLR product. You could go buy the PLR rights for this product for like $7. This guy here is selling it for $10.85. So when I go to his store, it tells me that he's got 383. So let's look at that. Never mind the $10.85. What if you were selling affiliate marketing 2.0 for 50 cents or 97 cents? Well, if he did 383 sales at 1085, it's wow. Could you imagine? Think of it in leads, not money. These are buyer leads. These are people who paid $1, $2, $3. You understand? You can go ahead and sell it for $10 like him. But I'm telling you, if you want to triple this number or quadruple this number or 10 times this number, sell it for 99 cents. Then you would have made, if you got 4 times, you'd make $1,200 and you'd have 1,200 leads by posting an ebook on eBay. Here's another marketer doing what I'm talking about, 99 cents. This is it's not even current, it's 2020. I'm going to look for this store now. So this is the store, 4,300 items sold. You understand what I'm telling you here? They posted something that cost them peanuts. I would have got 4,000 buyers passively on automatic pilot. I would have chased nobody. I wouldn't have had to repost and repost and repost. Do the work once, reap the rewards over and over and over again. Okay, this is so awesome. Let me show you something else. You know, say wow and lick your lips, because this is a secret that hardly anybody's using. A couple bucks and you'll generate leads. Wow, wow, wow. So another one is Etsy. Etsy is number 60 in the world. It's getting 500 million visits. So watch, here's some cool examples. This build the perfect sales funnel, this is older than the hills. Like this is like 2016 or something like that. I mean, okay, so this person posted it there for $8.22. Got 167 sales. So made $8.22 times 167. Could you imagine being paid $1,400 to create 167 leads for your business? Wait a minute. No buying solo ads, no buying banner ads. Oh, you're going to get $1,400 and 170 leads? That's what you call a secret killer lead generation method. Fexel, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all ebook deals. They're even bundles. This person is selling them for 18, 54, 6, 25, 3, 26, 23, 7,865 sales. So what if you come in here, post the same stuff for 99 cents? Like if you want to be concerned with the money, go ahead, do it that way. But if this person got 7,865 buyers by posting ebooks online, what could you do if you were dramatically different in price? Posting very similar things, but dramatically different in price. You'd think, what would this number be? 15,000, 25,000? If you could post a whole bunch of things and over the next several years get 25,000 buyers coming right into your business on automatic pilot, that's a marketing miracle. Wow, 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 wow. Then it doesn't stop. There are a forever amount of places where you can take the same ebooks, whether you bought them, whether you got them from me for free, whether you build them on ChatGPT for free, you can just continue to post them. Look at one site, freeebooks.net. Everybody's coming there for free ebooks. Gets 1 million visitors a month. So I go online there, freeebooks.net, and I go online marketing course. Downloads. 4,346 downloads, 52 pages. Okay, let me say this again. 4,346 downloads by posting this to one place. Now you could get hundreds a week, but what if it was one downloaded a day or 3 downloads a day? What if this 4,000 was even spread over 3 years? Do you understand? It's do the work once. Get leads over and over and over and over and over and over and over. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Do the work once. Be rewarded daily. Be rewarded monthly. Be rewarded weekly. Be rewarded yearly. It sure beats getting up and going to Facebook and doing your umpteen million posts every day and then starting to do it the next day and the day after and getting no leads. Just imagine posting dozens of flipbooks. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make not just regular ebooks, super cool flipbooks that you can put your own ads inside, you can put your own offers inside, you can put your own videos inside. Cool, 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 cool. Make one book, post it on 50 sites. Holy moly. The lead generation potential is exponential. That's a big word for a big, massive opportunity. Now, if you want a one-click solution to make super sexy flipbooks, this is not a plain old ebook. This is a super cool flipbook, okay? A super cool flipbook like this. You could make dozens, hundreds, posting them all over the place, each of them making 100, 3,000 leads. Leads, never a problem getting leads again. Having a massive email list, which you will turn into your own magical money-making traffic machine. Watch this brief demo, okay? It's just going to show you how easy you can make books from articles, you can make books from blogs, you can make books from PDFs that you already own. You can go through all of this cool information to show you how easy it is to use, but I want to show you, we're going to give you this software for $5. Hello, can I say that again? $5. There is an unlimited version which has no limits. That means 400 billion trillion quadzillion books. Make books for yourself, books for your team, books for clients, whatever you want to do with it. $15. So you can take content that you already have and turn it into a super sexy flip book, like in several clicks. It's crazy good. And then you could use the strategy that I just gave you 100% for free. Remember, a software like this, it's easy to add your own links, your own promotions, your own everything right inside the flipbook, right? Now down here we put bonuses that are specifically built for this. If you're going to be building a list and giving away stuff, put lead magnets right inside your books. Well, where are you going to get them? We're going to give them to you right here. Okay? You want to know a little bit more about list building. This is a good course. You can never have enough giveaways. You can either put an extra giveaway inside your flipbooks, which makes the value of your flipbook even higher. And then, of course, when you're emailing people, you always want to have some extra giveaways, unannounced bonuses, just things where people know this person here was sending me this email. They're so awesome. Look how much value they're giving me. So we're going to make sure you have stuff to give them away. Okay? Giant marketing kit, because you want to add stuff and graphics and all kinds of stuff to your ebooks. We're just going to give it to you so it's all ready to go for you. Okay? And then a massive marketing ebook bundle. So you're going to get some inside the flipbook software, and you already have some on your computer, but this is just going to give you more options, and they're all marketing ebooks. All right, so $5 if you're going to use this to make a couple ebooks, $15 if you're going to make an ebook empire and have it raining leads every single solitary day. And let me put this into perspective. When you think of the value of what a lead is worth, this deal is massive. So first of all, the software and the bonuses would cost you $279. And we've already taken 95% of that away because we're the $5 Friday and we absolutely obliterate high prices. So you got a $5 or $15 option to have the most straightforward, most massive lead generation opportunity your eyes have ever seen. This is not difficult to do. Everything involved in it is free. If you want to have your ebooks made for you, push button simple, then you could pick this up for this extremely low cost. Wow, wow, wow. You're on your way to a next level type business. Click the button. I'll see you on the inside.